Alright team, welcome to the channel. Today we're ditching the gym and getting strong right here at home, in your own space. That's right, we're about to unlock your inner DIY fitness guru step by step. We're gonna show you how to turn everyday stuff into proper workout equipment easily. Get ready to level up your home workouts with these awesome hacks and have fun. Now who needs fancy resistance bands when you've got old bike tires lying around? You might be surprised at how versatile and effective these can be. Instead of spending money on expensive gym equipment, let's get creative and make use of what we already have. It's not only budget-friendly, but also a great way to recycle and reduce waste. We're gonna repurpose those bad boys and put them to work. First, gather all the old bike tires you can find. Check your garage, ask your neighbors, or even visit a local bike shop. Many places are happy to give away old tires for free. Once you have a good collection, it's time to get to work. Grab yourself an old inner tube. You know, the one from your flat tire last summer? Yeah, that one. These inner tubes are perfect for making resistance bands because they're stretchy and durable. Plus, they come in different sizes, which means you can create bands with varying levels of resistance. Now we're gonna cut it into different widths. Use a pair of sharp scissors to cut the inner tube into strips. The width of the strip will determine the resistance level of your band. For a higher resistance band, cut a wider strip. For a lower resistance band, cut a narrower strip. It's that simple. A wider band means more resistance, perfect for those leg workouts. You can use these bands for exercises like squats, lunges, and leg presses. They provide excellent resistance and can help you build strength and tone your muscles. Plus, they're portable, so you can take them with you wherever you go. A thinner band is great for lighter exercises. These are perfect for upper body workouts such as bicep curls, tricep extensions, and shoulder raises. They offer just the right amount of resistance to help you improve your strength and flexibility. Remember, safety first. Always check your bands for any signs of wear and tear before using them. Give those bands a good tug before you get started, just to make sure they're up for the challenge. It's important to ensure that your DIY resistance bands are in good condition to prevent any accidents. Once you've tested them, you're ready to start your workout. Enjoy your budget-friendly, eco-friendly resistance bands and get ready to feel the burn. Let's talk sandbags, team. No, not the ones you fill sandbags with. We're talking about building some serious strength. Grab an old duffel bag, or even a couple of pillowcases. Fill them up with sand, or rice if you're feeling fancy. Now you've got yourself some adjustable weights. Start light and gradually add more weight as you get stronger. These bad boys are great for squats, lunges, and even bicep curls. Trust me, your muscles won't know the difference.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer
Chapter
for
3.
this.
Water Jug Workout. Don't throw out those empty water jugs just yet. We're about to turn them into dumbbells. Fill them up with water and get ready to feel the burn. The best part? You can adjust the weight by adding or removing water. Start with a lighter load and work your way up. These jugs are perfect for shoulder presses, bicep curls, and tricep extensions. And hey, if you're feeling really adventurous, try some squats while holding those jugs. Chapter 4. Towel Power. Welcome to another exciting chapter where we explore the hidden potential of everyday items. Today, we're focusing on something you probably have lying around your house, a simple towel. Next up, we're going to turn an ordinary towel into a piece of workout equipment. You might be surprised at how effective this can be for a full-body workout. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even on vacation, a towel can be your portable gym. Grab a towel. Make sure it's a sturdy one. The strength and durability of the towel are crucial for ensuring you get the most out of your exercises without any mishaps. We're going to use it for rows, curls, and more. These exercises will target different muscle groups, giving you a comprehensive workout. The versatility of a towel allows you to perform a variety of movements that can help build strength and endurance. For rows, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, loop the towel around a sturdy post, and pull. This exercise is fantastic for working your back muscles and improving your posture. Make sure to keep your back straight and engage your core as you pull. For bicep curls, stand on the towel, grab the ends and curl. This move targets your biceps and can be adjusted for difficulty by changing the tension in the towel. The more you pull, the harder it gets. Remember to keep those movements controlled and your core engaged. Proper form is key to maximizing the benefits and preventing injury. Slow, deliberate movements ensure that you're working the muscles effectively. Who knew a towel could be so versatile? From strength training to flexibility exercises, a towel can do it all. It's a testament to how creativity and resourcefulness can turn everyday objects into powerful fitness tools. So next time you see a towel, think beyond its usual purpose and get ready for a great workout. Chapter 5, DIY Pull-Up Powerhouse. Alright team, it's time to build some serious upper body strength with our very own pull-up bar. Now before you start swinging from the rafters, make sure you've got a sturdy doorway or two strong supports. We're gonna need to securely install a metal bar, safety first. Once it's up, it's time to get to work. Pull-ups, chin-ups, you name it. This DIY pull-up bar is your ticket to a stronger back, shoulders, and arms. And there you have it. The journey to becoming your own fitness guru starts with a single step. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning your fitness journey, the key is to stay motivated and consistent. 5 easy DIY equipment hacks to help you build strength at home. These hacks are not only cost-effective but also incredibly efficient. You can use items you already have around the house like water bottles, backpacks, and even furniture to create a versatile workout routine. Remember, you don't need a fancy gym to get in amazing shape. Your backyard, living room, or even a nearby park can become your personal fitness sanctuary. The beauty of working out at home or outdoors is the flexibility it offers. You can tailor your workouts to fit your schedule and preferences. With a little creativity and some household items, you can create your own workout haven. Think outside the box and use what you have. For example, a sturdy chair can be used for tricep dips, and a backpack filled with books can serve as a weight for squats and lunges. Now, what are you waiting for? The world is your gym, and the possibilities are endless. Start by setting small, achievable goals and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and keep pushing yourself to reach new heights. Get out there and start building your best self. Embrace the fresh air, the sunshine, and the natural surroundings as you work towards your fitness goals. Outdoor workouts not only improve your physical health but also boost your mental well-being. And there you have it. The journey to becoming your own fitness guru is all about creativity, consistency, and determination. 5 easy DIY equipment hacks to help you build strength at home. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine, track your progress, and don't be afraid to switch things up to keep your workouts exciting and challenging. Keep pushing yourself and stay safe. Always warm up before starting your workout and cool down afterwards to prevent injuries. Listen to your body, and give yourself time to rest and recover. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and hacks. Join our community of fitness enthusiasts and stay updated with the latest trends, workouts, and motivational content. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals and lead healthier, happier lives.